In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set app download preference in Google Play Store. If you want to control how much mobile data the Play Store uses, this quick setup will help you choose the best option for your plan and your Wi-Fi habits. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture or initial to open the menu. From there, tap Settings. Next, go to Network Preferences. Now, tap App Download Preference. This is where you choose how the Play Store downloads apps. You'll see three official options. Over any network lets the Play Store download using either mobile data or Wi-Fi. This is convenient if you have an unlimited data plan or don't want to wait for Wi-Fi. Over Wi-Fi only restricts downloads to Wi-Fi connections, which is a great way to avoid unexpected data charges or slowdowns on a limited plan. Ask Me Every Time means the Play Store will prompt you before each download, so you can decide on the spot whether to use mobile data or wait for Wi-Fi. After you pick the option that fits your needs, confirm by tapping Done or OK. That's it for download preference. Your choice takes effect right away. Now, there's a separate setting for automatic updates, which is handled independently. To set that, open the Play Store again if you've closed it. Tap your profile picture, go to Settings, then Network Preferences, and select Auto Update Apps. You'll see three choices here as well. Over any network allows apps to update automatically on mobile data or Wi-Fi, which keeps everything current without you thinking about it. Over Wi-Fi only limits automatic updates to Wi-Fi, helping you save mobile data while still staying up to date when you're connected. Don't auto-update apps turns off automatic updates entirely. If you pick this, remember to update apps manually from the Manage Apps section whenever you're ready, so you don't miss important fixes and security improvements. Keep in mind that the app download preference and the auto update preference are separate. One controls how new app downloads happen, and the other controls how updates are applied in the background. If your data plan changes, you're traveling, or you're trying to conserve battery and bandwidth, revisit these settings anytime using the same path in the Play Store. The wording may vary slightly depending on your device, but the flow, profile, settings, network preferences stays the same. With these settings in place, you'll have better control over data usage while keeping your apps managed the way you prefer.